Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning on the game's debug camera and related tools. This gives you free movement and time control. Once done, bind keys for free camera, time stop, and camera speed so you can react fast. Make sure you set FOV and resolution now, because changing them later will shift framing. Don't waste time adjusting cosmetic UI midshot. Lock the cursor and map a UI toggle key so the screen stays clean when you record. Next, you shape the scene. Stop time to place characters and props precisely, then resume to capture natural animation. Once characters are positioned, employ smooth pans and arcs with variable speed. Try 0. 5 to 2x camera speed for different moods. Make sure to tweak depth of field and motion blur to separate subject from background and sell the shot. Record short takes, review, and repeat. That iterative loop is how clean cinematic beats emerge. Finally, you assemble and polish your footage. Cut on action and match eye lines across takes so continuity feels seamless. Once done, stabilize any jitter by lowering camera speed and enabling smoothing options. That reduces microshake without killing motion. If camera clipping or actor penetration happens, raise collision settings or move the camera wider and use a longer lens FOV. One key troubleshooting tip. When animations snap, re-enable physics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.